hawfinch is a large, robust bird with a distinctive, strong yellow beak. Its body length can reach 18 centimeters. The head is brown, the back is reddish-brown, and the wings are black with a white transverse stripe. It generally lives in deciduous forests, parks, and orchards where there are plenty of fruits and seeds, as these are its main food source. Hawfinches enjoy fruit seeds, such as those of cherries, plums, or common hawthorn.